Hi, Ryan Murphy here from Guitar Lessons with Ryan. Today we're going to go over a song by the Talking Heads called Road to Nowhere. So let's zoom on in for a close-up and get started. Alright, so we're going to go over the chords first, but if you're proficient in chord chart reading, you could just skip on ahead to where I cover the song structure. But otherwise, let's get started. Now the introduction, where they have the a cappella part, just has 5 different chords, starting with the G chord. It's going to be second finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, first finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, and then we have the open 4th, open 3rd, and we have the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and 4th finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Alright, next chord in that section is going to be the C chord, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, open on the 3rd, first finger, 1st fret of the 2nd string, and then open on the 1st. Next chord is the D chord. This is going to be open on the 4th, first finger, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the 1st string, and 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Now from there we can slide up, and that'll be an E flat chord. We're only going to strum the first 3 strings, and that's the part that goes from an E flat to a D chord. And the final chord that you need to know for the introduction part is the F chord. Now I typically play with the grand bar, however you could use a partial bar here. So first finger all the way across all 6 strings on the 1st fret, 3rd finger, 3rd fret on the 5th string, 4th finger, 3rd fret on the 4th string, and then finally 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the 3rd string. Now the chords for the main section of the song are the E chord. So we have the open on the 6th string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the 5th string, 3rd finger, 2nd fret of the 4th string, 1st finger, 1st fret of the 3rd string, open on the 2nd, open on the 1st. And then from there we have a C sharp minor chord. So we have a first finger bar across the 4th fret of from the 5th string down to the 1st. And then from there we have the 3rd finger taking on the 6th fret on the 4th string. We have the 4th finger on the 6th fret of the 3rd string, 2nd finger on the 5th fret of the 2nd string. And after that we have the A major chord. This is going to be open on the 5th string, 1st finger, 2nd fret of the 4th, 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the 3rd, 3rd finger, 2nd fret on the 2nd string, and open on the 1st. And the very last chord we need to learn for this song is the B major chord. We're going to have a 1st finger, 2nd fret of the 5th string. Now you could do a bar on this, but it's probably a lot easier just to use the 1st finger just in that string and do a 3rd finger bar here. Like that. And don't even worry about the 1st string, it's going to be muted by the 3rd finger. So we have 1st finger, 2nd fret of the 5th string, 3rd finger barring across the 4th fret of the 4th string, 3rd string, and 2nd string. Now we're going to move on to the strumming pattern. The suggested strumming pattern that I have for this song is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. So that's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. And I use a right hand mute, so a palm mute on that. And I'm going to play an E chord, so it's going to be a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Alright, so for the introduction part, which is the a cappella part, there are no chords actually played in the recording. However, if you want to just jam out with the song and you want some chords underneath the vocal part, these are the suggested chords based off of the vocal parts. So we're going to be starting on a G chord. Well, we know where we're D chord going, but we C chord don't know where we G chord. And we know what we're D chord, what we C chord, what we've E flat chord, D chord. So that's the what we seen. And then we go back to a G, and we're not little children, D, and we see what we, and then we go to the E flat, and then to an F chord. So that's the part the want, and the future G is certainty. Give us C to work it, and then we do the E flat to a D. So let me play the introduction one more time with the chords. Well, we know where we're going, but we don't know where we've been. And we know what we're knowing, but we can't say what we E flat, D, and we're G, little children. And we see what we E flat, F, and the future, and D. Give us time to work it out. All right, so here is where we're going to use that suggested strum pattern that I went over, the down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Now each time is going to be one measure, so 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and. So we're going to do 4 measures of just the E chord with that strum pattern, like this. All right, so now we're going to go into the part with the We're on the Road to Nowhere lyrics, and we're just going to go from an E chord to a C sharp minor chord with the strum pattern that I showed you. So it's going to be, we're on the road to nowhere, C sharp minor, come on inside. Taking that ride to nowhere, C sharp minor, we'll take that ride. And then we go to an A chord, feeling okay this morning, and then go to an E and to a B. A, we're on the road to paradise. E, here we go. B, here we E. Now from there, as soon as we hit that E chord, we're going to be playing 4 bars of the and then we're going to go back into we're on the ride to nowhere, C sharp minor, come on inside. Taking that ride to nowhere, we'll take that ride. Then we're going to go to an A. Maybe you wonder where you are, E, I don't care, B. A, we're take you there, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going back to the We're on the Road to Nowhere part, E, C sharp minor, like so. We're on the road to nowhere, ha, ha. We're on the road to nowhere, ha, ha. All right, now before we move on to the next section, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know if there's any songs that you'd like me to cover in a future video. All right, now we're at the bridge part. Now we're going to do the bridge part for quite a while. This is just going to be from an E to a C sharp minor. In fact, the rest of the entire song is just E to C sharp minor, like so. There's a city in my mind, come along and take that ride, and it's alright. It's alright. And it's very far away, but it's growing every day, and it's alright. Baby, it's alright. Would you like to come along? You can help me sing this song, and it's alright. Baby, it's alright. There's a city in my mind, come along and take that ride, and it's alright. Baby, it's alright. We're E, very far away, but it's growing every day, and it's alright. Baby, it's alright. and then back to E. Come along, you can help me sing the song and it's alright. C sharp minor. They can tell you what to do, but they'll make a fool of you and it's alright. C sharp minor. And then we're going back to the chorus part. E. We're on the road to nowhere. C sharp minor. Hey. E. We're on the road to nowhere. C sharp minor. E. We're on the road to nowhere. C sharp minor. And then we're going to give one strum on the E. We're on the road to nowhere. And just sing that last line without any chords. So the last chord is going to be an E, and we're going to play it on beat 1. And as soon as we strum it, we're going to stop the chord from ringing out, like so. All right, now that's all there is to it for that song. And don't forget to head over to my Patreon, where you'll find an exclusive PDF song sheet that you can print out and use to practice with. In addition to that, you'll have access to the printouts for all the other songs I teach on YouTube, in addition to the ability to vote on which song I teach next. All right, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for stopping by. Have fun, and I'll see you next time.